Welcome back. Options traders are making big bets on a big gaming stock. So says Pete Najarian from Minneapolis with his latest trade today. Hey, Pete.
Hey, how are you, Scott? Yeah, it's pretty interesting today because we're seeing in Caesars, Scott, some very interesting call buying. MGM also has been active, and you've heard me talk about Wynn and some of the other names, Las Vegas Sands. But today at Caesars, that really stood out. 5,500 of the November 12 calls were bought today. Now, they paid just 26 cents for these, Scott. Very, very short time frame. We're talking about less than a month, or call it a month, for these to actually perform. But they're virtually right at the money calls, and they're only 26 cents. So risk reward, I love these kind of trades. We get any kind of a move to the upside out right now out of Caesars, these actually could double very, very rapidly. And then if that happens, we'd probably be taking off half. So that's something to keep an eye on. I'm going to give you also an update on Bank of America. Now, Bank of America was a stock on August 15th we talked about because they were reaching out and they were buying the October 28 calls for 70 cents. Stock was trading 26.60 at the time. Well, actually, after earnings and everything else that's happened this week with all of the different financials moving to the upside, those have gone from 70 cents to well over $2. They were trading about 220 today, 240, I think, on the high end. So that's something I'm giving that update because otherwise those will turn into stock. I think a lot of people would want to just take that money off and then go to the next trade. So I'm just reminding on that update. I'll give you one last thing that you didn't hear about, but I'm going to give it to you now. MPC, Marathon Petroleum. Now, that one was going to be an unusual option activity yesterday for me. It's hitting again today, and they just keep on buying, Scott. So keep an eye on this name. We've talked about it many, many times. It's hit many, many times. Monstrous January 72.5 call buying today in there as well.